Hello, dear students. Good morning. All the students of class 10 are welcome to this online class on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. I hope all of you are well and Happy New Year to all. I have taken a couple of classes for others, 9, 8, 6, 7, 5, but this is my first class with class 10, so I have told you Happy New Year 2021. Yes, I do believe that you are well and doing well with your study. Today, I am Muhammad Johurul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Religion in St. Gregory's High School and College. I'd like to discuss or talk about Akhirat today. Yes, Akhirat, it's an Arabic word. As per I have written here, Akhirat, but this word is from Arabic language. Akhirat means hereafter, the stage or the situation or the art wherein we are living now. We stay here, but it's not our eternal place. It is not our place for perpetual life. If we talk about our perpetual life, then we need to go to Akhirat. Yes, Akhirat is our final and the perpetual life. It's our temporary life in this world. This is our temporary life. After a single period, after a short period, we shall leave this place, leave this earth, and we have to go to Akhirat. That is the final destination. Yes. So, for going final destination, are we ready? Are we ready to go to final destination? Actually, no. We are not ready. If we are ready, then we would do good things. We would not do bad things. We shall do more and more the good things, and we shall quit, we shall avoid all sorts of bad things. If we can do these things, then we believe in Akhirat. Because we know, as Akhirat is the hereafter, so we have many functions there. We have to face answerability, right? We have to face accountability. Yes, there are our accounts will be taken by Allah the Exalted, who has sent us here as His devotee, His banda, His abid or abd. So, if we believe in Akhirat, we shall think about our answerability, we shall think about our accountability. Whatever or whichever we are doing here in this earth, we have to give an account before Allah the Exalted. to Allah the Exalted. So please be prepared for this very job. I mean, if we do not arrange our answers, how shall we give or how shall we provide the accountability? How shall we face the answerability? And how would be the answers? Correct answers. Suppose we will not be able to answer falsely there. There is no opportunity, there is no chance like this art. In this art, we can follow many more things, alternative things that is false. Sometimes people are following so-called alternative things, but these alternative things are false, or any fraudulence, fraud, fake. So no fake, no fraud, no cheating will be there in Akhirat. So we need to be prepared for that very important place. That is Akhirat. And to be a exact moral personality, to make a moral character, to believe in Akhirat is must. It is mandatory, it is inevitable. Right? Yes, it is inevitable to believe in Akhirat. As per Allah the Exalted has proclaimed in His Holy Quran, Obil Akhiratihum Yukinun, and that is this ayat belongs to Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 4. You have to search your textbook and you need to write down accordingly this sort of small verses. I'd like to suggest you to write down those verses. Please write down and don't forget to write down these small verses for practice. If you practice these verses, it will help you in your final exam as well as in your quiz exam to answer smoothly and accordingly or in a befitting way. So boys, I have written here, please look at the board attentively and write down. As per you are the students of class 10, so I did not discuss any instructional point, as per, for example, CW and SW copy. I think it's not necessary for you because, it's not necessary to tell to you or to suggest to you, but your CW and SW copy is must. Don't forget to keep that, okay? Please keep your CW and SW copy separate to get good marks until your final exam. Yes, don't forget to keep those copies separately. And now write down this verse and many more important points whichever I have already discussed in this class and I shall discuss also in this class. Don't forget to write down those important points that is to be noted. Okay, here the verse whichever I have written here according to textbook, Abil Akhiratihum Yuqinun. Abil Akhiratihum Yuqinun. That means, and they hold firm belief in Akhirat. They believe in Akhirat firmly, strongly. They have a strong belief in Akhirat. Allah the Exalted has told about the Mumin, who are the real Mumin. Wabil akhiratihum yuqinun, and they have the Allah-fearing attitude. They have hold the faith or firm belief in Akhirat. This is the meaning of this ayat, and this ayat belongs to Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 4. This is also point to be noted. Yes, this point also to be noted. Please note down or write down. So this ayat, proves the importance of akhirat here. In this regard, another ayat Allah the Exalted say, وَمَنْ يَكْفُرْ بِاللَّهِ وَمَلَائِكَتِهِ وَكُتُبِهِ وَرُسُلِهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ فَقَدْ ضَلَّ ضَلَالًا بَعِيدًا. Here, and if one disbelieves in Allah, His angels, His scriptures, His prophets, and the last day, one will deplorably go astray. Actually, this is the proclamation of Allah the Exalted, and this ayat belongs to Surah An-Nisa, verse number 136. Please don't forget to write down. This point to be noted. This ayat belongs to verse number Surah 136, and Surah is Surah An-Nisa. Yeah. Please note down. Here Allah proclaims that if someone doesn't believe in Akhirat, believe in Allah, His angels, His kitabs, His prophets, and the last day, last day means Akhirat, then he or she will go astray deplorably. Yes. Deplorably, অনুশোচনীয়ভাবে, শোচনীয়ভাবে, deplorable, শোচনীয়. So deplorably go astray. বিপথে তো যাবেই, he will go astray, বিপথে যাবে, he will go to the wrong path. And how? That is deplorably, শোচনীয়ভাবে, very worstly. So I think you could understand the point, and for this very reason we need to believe in Akhirat accordingly, as well as all other points of belief or iman in a befitting way. Ultimately, we shall be succeeded, inshallah, by believing on these points. So boys and the students of class 10, you are most welcome, and I think you will be regular in this class, in next classes. Once again we shall meet. I'd like to suggest you here, if you miss any class or if you feel any problem, you have a solution for you. Yes, the solution is multi-purpose solution. For example, one is you can add me in your friend list, and you can message in my messenger for any question. I'll solve you, inshallah. I'll solve your question, and I'll try in my best. Another point is you can call me or you can contact me over phone. And third point is, if you miss any class, you should not miss, but accidentally or any other vital reason, if you miss any class, then you can subscribe this channel so that you can watch the class or attend the class later on whenever you get time. So this is the channel's name, Johir's Islamic Studies. Please subscribe to the channel. I think you will get the link, and with the link you will get the name of the channel. And as soon as you get this, please subscribe so that you can get the update information earlier than others. Thank you very much once again for joining this class.